Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I knew we needed IBC totes eventually. I just didn't know we needed it this soon. But California is having record rainfall and everything we have is full. I thought these 55 gallons on the side here would last us a while, but they are at the brim. Let's do some research and figure out how to buy an IBC tote. New IBC totes are kind of expensive. A 275 is 400 and reconditioned is 200. But I found this Craigslist ad that is selling them for 160. We are going with the even less expensive non-food grade canola or avocado oil for 100 to 150, but it is a must pick up. So we are going to schedule a time with Larry and going to Home Depot to pick up a van. Good morning. We got our van from Home Depot. I think we're at the right place. I see a bunch of totes, but I don't know how to get over there. Going to give the guy a call and see if we can figure this out. We have our totes. They are about 130 pounds each. I'm going to try and move it myself, but if I can't get it off the van, I will go and ask for some help from my wife. I just got back from Home Depot returning the van. These are pretty easy to move by myself, but there's definitely a lot of dragging on the ground. We ended up going with the non-food grade honey ones instead of the canola or avocado oil. I don't think any of that would affect our raised garden beds or front yard. They ended up being $100 each. I thought that was a super good deal. Thank you so much, Larry. Video 116 done.